Hello, hello, hello. Hello, my name's Tumi Williams. I'm a performer on the Jollof House Party Opera. We're in the middle of it. We're bang on in the middle of it, and it's been great so far. Day 2. The Jollof House Party Opera is about this young Nigerian chef starting a new business and a newborn as well that's just been added to his family. So he's got a growing family. With this new business, he's got a pending inspection.
Hello, my name is April Koyejo-Audiger and I am the opera singer on this project, singing the role of the food inspector. I come in and I explore through the operatic as well as the blend of all the different musical mediums in this piece. I explore my own character and my own self and the character's hopes, dreams, losses.
You can expect multiple genres of black music, from hip hop to jazz, even garage, obviously opera. To find out, the only way you can do it is buy tickets. It's a Cardiff show this Sunday, and straight after that, we're in Swansea, Wrexham, and London. Oh, I'll see you there, innit?